Hi guys, this is Obi Kitchen. You're welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a very delicious carrot stew recipe. Let's go straight into the video. I have my washed and cleaned chicken. I'm putting them into the pot to boil. I will cook the chicken till they are soft and tender. I have some chopped onions in here. I will add some salt to taste. I'll throw in some bay leaves, some seasoning and spices, then this is garlic salt. I'll just give it a stir. I will cover to steam for 5 minutes. Then I will later check and add some more water for the proper cooking of the chicken. Now I'll add some more water here. I'll cover to cook for 10 minutes till soft and tender. And here I've prepped all the ingredients, the carrot, the tomatoes, the peppers, washed and chopped. I'll transfer them into my blender and blend them batch by batch. For carrot stew, you need enough onions. And you need some cucumber also. But the cucumber, I peeled the back. I peeled the cucumber. So I'll just go in with some cucumber, then blend into a smooth paste. I'm done blending now. Then I'm pouring some vegetable oil in a fry pan to fry the meat. That is the chicken. So add them into the oil bit by bit. And you stay very close and turn so the chicken won't burn. So I'm turning now. The chicken is fried now. So I'll bring them out from the oil and set it aside. Then I'm going to fry plantain. I have some cubes of plantain because I'm serving this carrot stew with rice and fried plantain. So I'll also fry the plantain till it is golden brown. So I'll scoop out and set it aside also. Then add some vegetable oil inside a bigger pot. Add some chopped onions, some bay leaf, and scoop in the carrot puree to fry the stew. I'm going to fry this carrot puree in the vegetable oil until it cooks and dries. Some seasoning cubes. I'm adding some seasoning cubes for more taste. Some salt. More salt. Some seasoning powder. I will give it a stir. Some spices, that's curry, spice, and thyme. I'll give it a stir again. Cover, open, and stir. Then I add in the fried chicken. Cover to cook for 5 minutes. Then give it a stir again. For carrot stew, you need enough vegetable oils because carrot paste tends to stick to the bottom of the pot. So with enough vegetable oils, your stew won't burn. So I will add in the chicken stock now and mix. Stir to mix. Then some spring onions. I'll stir again to mix. You keep stirring your carrot stew. Don't allow it to burn. In this recipe, this carrot stew recipe, you don't need any water at all except the meat or chicken stock. That's all the liquid you use. So you keep stirring. You keep stirring until your stew is cooked. Let me taste. Tastes delicious. Very delicious. Try this my carrot stew recipe and let me know the outcome in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. So at this point, our stew is almost ready. Give it more stir to make sure it does not stick to the bottom of the pot. I will turn off the heat now because it's cooked. Time to serve our delicious carrot stew with white rice and fried plantain. I hope you like this recipe. All the ingredients I used to make this delicious carrot stew will be listed in the description box below. Please check the description box. You can use this carrot stew for rice, for your boiled yam, for boiled plantain, for spaghetti, whichever way you like it. When you make this stew and taste it, I bet you will never want to make your stew with ordinary tomatoes again. Carrot stew is the most delicious stew I've ever tasted. Give it a try, and I hope you will love it. And I will say thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.